Hi guys, welcome to our video. So, by the way, my name is Mariette Berliso, and this is the group of syntax errors. So, let me introduce to you my fellow members, Jeff, Roa, and Miko Exclamado. So, in this activity guys, we created a flowchart and C program that simulates the USTP enrollment process. So, I'll be the one presenting in behalf of our group. Let's get started. Arat na! So, I'll briefly walk you guys through our flowchart showing the USTP Freshman and Enrollment process. So, it starts with gathering credentials. If your documents are incomplete, you'll need to go back and finish them first or complete them first. And once you are ready, you'll be proceeding to the next step, which is selecting enrollee type. So, in sa atong case is mag-focus naman ta sa freshman path. So, dinhi sa freshman path, freshmen proceed to the PRISM website para sa atong pre-registration. Okay. If that's not done yet, you'll be prompted to go back and finish it first. Then comes enrollment registration and validation, followed by completing the requirements sa atong health services requirement or guidance unit requirements. And if incomplete siya, you need to return during the step. Okay? And then, here, after all requirements are submitted, mubalik ka sa PRISM website para imuhang i-print ang imong Certificate of Registration or COR. Again, if it is not printed, you'll repeat another step. And then, finally, if printed na siya, you proceed to the gym lobby for profiling and ID picture taking and pay 100 for the ID and 200 sa PTA. Sorry guys, wala naman nabutang diri ang 200. And now you are officially enrolled. Now, human sa atong flowchart, diri na ta sa atong C program. Now, let's take a look at our C program nga atong giro to simulate this process. So, we already know nga mo ni siya ang atong header file, which is kini siya, mo ni siya ang it lets us to use input and output functions like this one. And this one, it lets us to use character related function like this one. And here, this is our starting point of our program. Na natin mga displayed text daan diri para dili na ta madugay. So, ato nang i-run ang atong program. So here, the program asks if the user has gathered all their credentials. So, kini, if mag-answer tag no diri, so, as we can see, it loops back and asks again. This is done by using the while loop. Here, kita na to diri, no? So, and then, if mag-yes pud ta diri, sorry, mag-proceed din siya sa selecting enrollee type. Since we are focusing sa freshman, let's select the number 1. So, after that, the program displays a link sa USTP Prism para sa pre-registration. And nag-ask din siya if nahuman na ba ta sa pre-registration. So, let's say yes. Ano to, Dre? Tara. And then, let's say yes. Din siya, proceed din siya sa enrollment registration and validation. So, nag-ask din siya if, are you done with your enrollment requirements? So let's say yes. If yes, so, since requirements complete, submit na ta sa atong requirements sa enrollment officer. And then, mubalik din ta sa atong PRISM para i-generate ang atong COR and atong i-print. Then, diri, nag-ask din siya if na-printed na. So, now let's say yes. So, finally, nag-prompt na gid siya o mo-proceed na ta sa gym lobby para i-kompleto na to atong profiling and mag-pay ta og 100 para sa atong ID and 200 sa atong PTA para sa atong final na nato nga steps. So, here, it prints a final message confirming that the students enrolled. Welcome to the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines.